So here our function template has a single type parameter called t, but we can also define a function template with multiple parameters. And that is useful when we want to have parameters of different types. For example, let's say we want to define a function for displaying a key value pair. So typically, first we start with a basic implementation, and then we will convert it to a function template. So let's call this function display and give it a parameter of type string that represents the key and a parameter of type integer that represents the value. Now here we can print the key followed by an equal sign and the value. Okay, now let's convert this to a function template. So just like before, we type the template keyword. Here we use type name. Now, the first parameter, we can call it t. The second parameter obviously cannot be t. So here we can use u. That's a common convention. So when we have multiple parameters, we call them t, u, v, whatever. But in this case, it makes more sense to call this k because that's short for key. And this one, v, that is short for value. Now we're going to replace the string with k and the integer with v. So now we have a function template with two type parameters. So we can call this and pass a key of type string and a value of type integer. We can also pass a key of type integer and a value of type integer as well. So here's what we get. So we can pass any kind of value or object that supports the stream insertion operator.